Hi everyone, welcome to lecture 15 of Printed Circuit Boards Fundamentals. In this lecture we will learn about wiring between pins of the two footprints, and this wiring is basically called routing, and for that you need to find a good path for connecting the wires as they travel through the PCB. You have to be very careful to avoid any crossing between two traces when routing between the footprints. So here in this footprint schematic, you might have noticed that my this edge cut which I have used here is of a different color. So I just wanted to make a little bit correction from my previous lecture, that in the last lecture I think I used silk screen. We were not supposed to use that. You need to click on here edge cuts. So to do it, it's very simple. I'm gonna click it somewhere else so that you know how to do it. So here you click it over here, and once you click it, and then the second step you do is you click on the add graphic lines. When you click on the graphic lines, then you can anywhere connect the edges. You can make like a box. So this is just an example I'm giving you. So that's how I created this this box around this footprint. Now I am going to teach you how to route between two pins on this schematic. And to do that, you need to first click on the copper material, and to do that you will click here. You can see under layers there are so many options, so we will choose the first option here, this copper. And when you click here, the second step you do is to click on the route tracks. So I'm going to route between the pin 4 and between the connector. Rest of the connection I have already done previously, so this is just an example one. I'm doing it for you. So I'm going to connect here, and then so that's how you connect the wiring on the PCB, and similarly you will do the same for all the other connections. But here you have to be very careful that you have to make sure that none of the traces they crosses each other. Now here the next thing we are going to do is to check the electrical design rule. And to do that, we will click on the top of this bumblebee button which says perform design rules check. So clicking on this, and since I've already run the electrical design rule, that's why it's showing here, but we can do it again. So you'll click here on run DRC, and then you can see the messages here, track clearance, zone to zone clearance, and here it says pad 5 of P1 on all copper layers, this. So everything looks fine. There is no unconnected items here, so you will close this, and that's how you do the electrical design rule check.